everybody, we're back at the Artist Exchange. We got a treat for you. We have Tosin Arts here to do spoken word. Take it away, Tosin.
Hello everyone, hi. I want to do a spoken word about a woman I love. So listen and be inspired, I guess. All right. Um, she had a scar on her face. She was told she would never surface. She was beaten, she was bruised, she was beaten to the ground, but she never stayed down. She was told she had no beauty, but you're not defined by what they say. You're only defined by your dream. So with a loud voice, she screamed and said, I have a dream, that my love be felt, that we be together as one, that I'll be seen for the real me. As usual, when she said that, they tried to shut her up, so they locked her up, they gagged her up, they chained her up. But under her breath, she said, I am Africa. I would never give up. Then she sang the song of victory. We will live together, love together now. We will live together, love together, live together now. We will live together, love together now. We will live together, love together, live together now. That was the song she sang, the song of her dreams, the song of her victory. So despite the pain they put on her, she had the faith to keep moving on. She was stronger than she even knew. Along then, there came time, with a smile on his face, and told her she was going to make it. Gave her all she needed, patience, strength, and all she needed to learn about the way of men. So a time came when she slept, and a man came to wake her up. His name was Destiny. And he said, hey, beautiful, it's your time to shine, for the glory is risen upon you. With a smile on her face, she looked him back in the eyes, and she said, I knew my dream would be a reality. So she sang one more time. We will live together, love together now. We will live together, love together, live together now. We will live together, we will love together now. We will live together, love together, live together now. Her time had come, and now the cornerstone the builders rejected has become the cornerstone. And now she has become like a great mighty tree, and all the birds of the air come together to dwell and to lay their nests and rest. This she said that had me intrigued. She said, I don't see color, but now I'm of all colors. For I am like the rainbow, the beauty after the storm. Now her scars are made beautiful. She sings beautiful scars. All the scars were worth the time. Now with a smile on her face, she has her children to tell her story. You and I, the storytellers. To keep her legacy, to keep her narrative. Because now we all sing the dream she desired. Because now we all live together. We now live together. We now love together now. We now live together, love together, live together now. We now live together, love together now. We now live together, love together, live together now. Proudly Africa, we own the story, we own the narrative. Tosin Arts. Thank you.
Hi, everybody. It's Kay Stokes, General Manager and Executive Director of Dominion Television. Listen, thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and tell all your friends about the quality Christian lifestyle content that Dominion TV has to share. Yebeshe Abio. See you again soon, and may God richly bless you. Keep watching.